Never judge a man until you drive a mile in his kicks. I put it on all of my pages for 1 billion clicks. I see you scoping out the sticker like this dude is a phony, but I ain't never popping tags, I'ma keep them a roaming. I like to read it every day before I step in the whip. I got it memorized by heart for you, so don't even trip. New 2.0 4-cylinder engine, more horses than a sold out cowboy convention. You could punch it with 140 pound-feet of torque. It's got you flying off the line like you just popped a cork. Get it in all-wheel drive because you already know it was embarrassing that time that you got stuck in the snow. It's got a larger body now with more interior room. Panoramic makes it possible to peep at the moon. Zero gravity seats in the ride like an astronaut. Touchscreen control, should I blast or not? 12.3 touchscreen for your apps, from your audiobooks to your music and maps. You got a wireless pad that's for charging your phone. You wait a second for the light and then just leave it alone and get your kicks. You know I get my kicks. You gotta get your kicks. You know I got my kicks. Pro Pilot Assist is gonna keep you in your lane. When you're driving so long, it's driving you insane. It's got 1, 2, 3 car lanes for your pleasure. Pro Pilot Assist is gonna help you to measure the vehicles around you and the lines on the road. Don't sleep on these features.
No, really, don't. It's not a time machine. You need to stay awake.
But take your footsies off the pedal and ease up on the wheel. This type of quality treatment gives that luxurious feel. Stay safe with intelligent blind spot warning. There's so many accidents, but you're non-conforming. You wanna get home to your family alive, so the blind spot sensors keep you safe as you drive. They'll light up and beep and move you back into your area. Smooth like though, the kicks ain't gonna be scary. So get your kicks. You know I get my kicks. You need to get your kicks. I already got my kicks. The around you monitor with moving object detection will deliver you the peace of mind of parking protection. You're never gonna get caught parking like this again, or accidentally backing up into your best friend. The exterior lighting with the logo on the ground catches all the attention of all the people around. It's got illuminated cargo scuff plates to greet you. Haters gonna hate, but they'll never defeat you. And the last thing on your mind is gonna be fighting with that relaxing interior accent lighting. More space, new design, and a bag full of tricks. It's the 2025 Nissan Kicks. You gotta get your kicks. You know I get my kicks. You gotta get that kicks.